Hey there! If you've got a bunch of reminders for upcoming events and want to keep things organized, setting up a recurring or repeating calendar events on your iPhone is a fantastic way to do it. Let's walk through how to make it happen. Open the calendar app, pick an upcoming date when you want to create a new repeating event. Choose the specific date for your event. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Enter a title for your event. For example, you might use meeting. Next, add a location or a video calling app if needed. If the event spans the entire day, enable the all-day option. Select the start time for your event. I'll choose 12 p.m. Set the ending time. I'll go with 3 p.m. You can add travel time if you want, but I'll skip that for now. Here comes the important part. Now, set up repeat options. Tap repeat. Choose one of the preset options, or tap custom if you want more flexibility. Also, set an end date for the repeat schedule. Scroll down a bit. Tap alert and make sure to set your alert time based on your preference. Finally, tap add in the top right corner. And there you have it. That's how you create a recurring or repeating calendar event on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.